I'll be discussing some of the current phone deals as well as the most recent leaks and speculations around the device in this video. I'll also provide my own assessment of whether or not the Galaxy Z Fold 5 is a worthwhile purchase. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 is anticipated to be on sale in late July, and it's building out to be a really remarkable phone. It is rumored to include a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, 12GB of RAM, and 512GB of storage. A 7.6-inch internal display and a 6.2-inch exterior display are also anticipated. There are currently a few deals available. For instance, if you trade in your old phone, you may receive a $200 discount on the phone. Along with the phone, you can receive a free set of Galaxy Buds Pro. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 has a ton of promise. It has a powerful processor, plenty of RAM, and a sizable quantity of storage. The two screens are also excellent, with the internal display ideal for viewing films or playing games and the exterior display ideal for monitoring alerts or placing calls. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 does, however, have some potential drawbacks. The phone is probably going to cost a lot of money, and the screen creasing problem is still a worry. Additionally, as the phone is still quite new, its future durability is unknown. The Oppo Find N and the Google Pixel Fold are just two of the other foldable smartphones that the Galaxy Z Fold 5 will be up against on the market. The Oppo Find N is an excellent phone, and it costs a lot less than the Galaxy Z Fold 5. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 has a stronger processor and greater storage, however. The Google Pixel Fold is still a mystery, although it's rumored to look like the Galaxy Z Fold 5. But it's also rumored that the Pixel Fold will cost less. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 is, in my opinion, a fantastic phone all around. If you're searching for a foldable phone, it has a lot of promise and is absolutely worth taking into consideration. However, the pricing is a little excessive, and the screen creasing problem is still an issue. The Oppo Find N is an excellent choice if you're on a tight budget. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.